ABC Educational Channel.
Hi, kids! Welcome back to our learning adventure. Today, we're going to learn about pets. The cute animals that live with us at home. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go and say hello to our furry and feathery friends. Let's learn some English vocabulary about pets. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Dog. A dog is friendly and loves to play. It barks, woof, woof. Cat. Cat is soft and loves to sleep. It says meow, meow. Fish. A fish swims in water. It has fins and a tail. Bird. A bird can sing and fly high in the sky. Rabbit. A rabbit has long ears and likes to eat carrots. Turtle. A turtle walks slowly and has a hard shell. Hamster. A hamster is small and cute. It loves running in its little wheel. Snake. A snake slithers on the ground and sticks out its tongue. Parrot. Parrot is colorful and can talk. Puppy. A puppy is a baby dog. It's playful and adorable. Kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. It loves to chase string and play all day. Guinea pig. A guinea pig is small and furry. It makes a cute squeaky sound. Lizard. A lizard is a small reptile that likes to sit in the sun. Goldfish. A goldfish is orange and swims in a bowl. Frog. A frog jumps high and says ribbit, ribbit. Dove. A dove is a gentle bird that coos softly. Tortoise. A tortoise lives on land and moves very slowly. Squirrel. A squirrel loves climbing trees and eating nuts. Penguin. Penguin can't fly but loves to slide on ice. Wow! Great job, everyone! You've learned so many pet vocabulary words today. Let's remember, pets are our friends, and we must take good care of them with love. Can you tell me, what pet do you have at home? Share your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time, kids. Bye bye.